Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, we're doing something I really hate doing. We're putting a dryer vent in this Salem Hemisphere for the washer dryer. Well, for the dryer, it's a combo unit. Or no, sorry, not a combo unit. It's a separate. It's a washer machine and the dryer. And contacted Salem, Forest River, about this, and they gave me two possible locations. Neither one of those looked good to me, and their best piece of advice was don't drill into anything in the wall. Make sure there's nothing in the way. Yeah, that's why didn't I think of that? So we had the customer already had the washer and dryer in the hole. Got it out. Trying to take this piece of trim off over here to see what is in that hole, but I got the screws loose, but it's still, I'm trying to get this piece off over here. It's still really attached. I think I got to take a piece loose down here at the floor too, I believe. Oh, that whole thing comes out. Kind of looks to me like this whole thing might come out. So I have to take a few more screws out. I think I got all the screws out and all the brads loose. Let's see. No, I know y'all can't see, but let's see if this thing will pull out of here. Alright, I just have to scoot that wash machine back some more so I can get this wall out. Hey, could you come back in here and help me just a minute?
Yeah. You got her coming, ain't you?
Yeah, we need to get that washer back there some more. I'm afraid this wall was going to fall while I was trying to do it myself.
Let me see if I can get it here.
There you go. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing. I didn't expect that whole thing come out like that.
Me neither.
Alright, we got this thing out there. That's no help. There's not enough room here to get that, so I'm gonna end up having to put it in this wall right here. Looks like there's nothing in the way here, but the thing of it is, this is another false wall. It's 5 inches thick before we get to the outer wall, so it's going to be kind of tough to drill a hole in that with a hole saw, which I didn't bring in with me. So I'm going to do a whole bunch of measuring, whole bunch of thinking, and make sure that we're in the right place where we want to come out outside, and we're going to make sure everything's right before we drill a 4-inch hole in this wall. Right there. So let me do some thinking, some measuring, remeasuring, rethinking. This is why we make the big bucks. I have to take this 4-inch hole saw now, drill a hole in this false wall and through the outside of the camper for the dryer vent. So I have measured and measured and remeasured and measured, and best I can tell, this will work. So only thing to do now is drill a hole, a very large hole. See what happens. Y'all want to watch? Oh, y'all are sadistic, ain't you? Well, here goes nothing except a 4-inch hole saw. Well, y'all gonna be in the way Y'all always in the way. You ever noticed that? How you're always in the way? We'll double check one more thing here, because I want to try and get this hole as close, as far away from that end cap as possible. Look up in the wall one more time, make sure there's nothing in the way. No wires or coax or anything hanging in the way. There's not. So I've looked 10 times. Don't hurt to look 11 times though. Alright, here we go. 4-inch hole. That's the false wall. Now I gotta drill through the side of the camper. I am gonna have to get y'all out of the way. I might put y'all outside and let you watch. That'd be exciting, huh? All right, there's a little dot up here on the outside of the camper. That's where my drill bit's gonna come out. Y'all believe that? We're gonna see.
Low. That's all right. That won't hurt none. Nope. It's almost in line with it.
That's all. Front to back's all I'm worried about.
Well, you're real close.
Awesome.
Ain't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's within a 1/4 inch where I thought it was gonna be. Pretty guessy measuring. All right. Did y'all see it? It's close. It was about 2 inches lower than I thought, but that was a complete guess. It was the front to back that I was worried about. Now we get to do this. Alright, well that's the hard part. It's drilling that 4-inch hole in the side of a fiberglass side of camper. Now we just have to put the vent together. Daylight. Well, I stuck the vent in. I wanted to see how it's going to fit in that hole. Yeah, it's kind of a pain for that being inside that false wall like that. Yeah, it is a pain. I'm going to go outside, pull the flapper back out of the hole. I got it stuck in the hole, and put putty tape behind it. Go ahead and put our cover on it and go ahead and get that sealed up out there. Then we'll come back in here and I'll show you what we're doing in here. But yeah, it's just sealing it on the outside, just like probably 10,000 other videos out there on YouTube show you how to put putty tape behind something. Screw it to the wall, put a little silicone around 3 sides of it as a flashing. That's all I'm going to do. All the outside's done, all but just a little bit of silicone. It'll be the last thing I do. Got to get the vent on here. I can go through the wall right here, and get my clamp on that, and then we got to set the washer and dryer back in here and hook it up. And y'all just gonna be in the way too much. All I'm doing is putting a 4-inch dryer vent hose on the vent and then hook it to the dryer. So we'll be back in a minute. All right, hose hooked up. All the false walls are put back. We're ready to set the washer and dryer back up in there. Definitely ain't no room for y'all when we do that. All right, well there you have it. I mean, you know, it's not a bad job. but it's pretty scary drilling a 4-inch hole inside of somebody's camper. And it come out really close enough. Like I said, up down I didn't care about. It was the front to back that was really important, because we had to miss that front cap. So actually, I'll take you over real quick and show you. So there you go. There's installing a dryer vent in a camper. Like I say, it's scary. It's probably it's about one of my least favorite jobs, drilling a 4-inch hole in somebody's camper. But hey, don't y'all be scared. Get down in that comment section. Leave me a comment, a criticism, concern. And I'm actually going to stay here and replace a water pump, which I'm not going to video, and then I got to go up the road and fix another one. I suggest that y'all have a fantastic day.